Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to traverse a string in Python. String traversal is the process of visiting every character in a string, usually from left to right, and executing some instruction on the accessed character. Python provides two ways to traverse a string: direct traversal and location or index based traversal. Let us check out each of these traversal methods in detail. In direct traversal, each character of a string is accessed directly and sequentially using the for statement. For example, let us assign the string Python to a variable n. Now, using the for statement for char in n, we can directly traverse the string stored by n one character at a time. For each character, we will execute an instruction. In this case, we will print the character. Let us now execute the code. You can observe how each character is displayed one by one, starting with character P, followed by the rest of the characters Y, T, H, O, and N. Another type of traversal is location based or index based traversal, in which we increment the value of index starting from 0 as long as it is lesser than the length of string. This index value can be used to access the character at that index in a string using the index operator. Either for or while statement can be used for index based traversal. In case of for statement, we iterate over the range object, which provides a sequence of integers starting from 0 to the length of the string minus 1. The sequence can be used for index-based traversal. Let us take a look at the program. Assign the string Python to a variable n. Create a range object which provides a sequence of numbers which starts at 0, increments by 1, and stops before reaching the length of the string. Using for I in range len n, iterate over this sequence. The variable I represents the index value which can be used to access the character using index operator. Inside the for statement, we can print the character accessed using the current index I. Let us now execute the code. You can observe how each character is displayed one by one, starting with character P, followed by the rest of the characters Y, T, H, O, and N. While statement can be used to traverse a string by iterating on the value of index. Let us take a look at the program. Assign the string Python to a variable n. Assign the starting value of index, that is 0 to I. Now, the while statement along with the condition index I less than length of string is specified. This means that the while code block will run as long as the condition is satisfied. We print the character corresponding to the current value of index, post which we increment the value of index I by 1, and the loop continues as long as the value of I is less than the length of the string. Let us now execute the code. You can observe how each character is displayed one by one, starting with character P, followed by the rest of the characters Y, T, H, O, and N.